Hello grade 2, welcome to our third math video. Today's video we will talk about the value and the place value of the numbers, and we will talk about the forms of the number. Okay, first the place value. What do I mean by saying the place value? Okay, first let's identify what is the digit. The digit is a part of numbers. The digits are the parts of numbers. I have here number 924. 924. Can you tell me how many digits in this number? Okay, to know the digits of any number, we will count how many numbers do we have. So let's count together. We have here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 numbers. So the number is 3 digits. To know the digit, we will count how many numbers do we have. We have 3 numbers, so 924 is a 3 digits number. Okay, what about number 26? How many digits do we have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 26 is a 2 digits number. 26 is a 2 digit numbers. Ones and tens. What about number 3? How many digits are there in the number 3? We have just one number, so it's just one digit number. 3 is a one digit number, which is ones. Okay, now what is the place value? What do I mean when I'm saying place value? Okay, each digit in a number has a title. Each digit in a number has a title, depending on where it's positioned. Each digit has a title, depending on its position. Okay, for example, here we have the place value chart. We have ones, tens, hundreds, and we always start with the ones on the right side. We start on the right side. Ones, tens, hundreds. Again, repeat after me. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. What is the place value of 4? And number 4, hundreds, 52. We said we will start on the right side, so ones, tens, hundreds. So the place value of 4 is hundreds. The place, the home of the number. Okay, so the place value of the number is the home of the number. We have 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Again, from the right side, ones, tens, hundreds. So the place value is the home of the number, the place of the number. Okay, what is the place value of 2 and the number 832? We will start from the right side with the number 2, which is ones place. Ones. 3 is tens, and 8 is hundreds because it's ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, and what is the place value of number 8? Yeah, excellent. It's tens. 8 is a tens digit. Okay, but now we talked about the place value, and we said that the place value of the number is the home of the number, and we know it by its position. We always start with the right side, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, but what about the value? What do I mean when I said what is the value of the number? Okay, we have here number 978. 978. What is the value of 8? Okay, at first, can you tell me what is the place value of 8? What is the home of number 8? When we said that we start with right side, ones, tens, hundreds. So 8 is, yeah, it's a ones place. 8 is ones place. Okay, but what is the value of number and the ones place? Okay, the value of ones is just itself. The value of ones is just itself. So the value of 8 in the ones place is 8. Again, the value of ones is just itself. The value of the ones place is the same number. Okay, what is the value of 2 in number 723? 723. First, we need to know the place value of number 2. We start from the right side and we said that ones, tens, hundreds. So 2 is a tens place, and the value of tens is the number and 1, 0. The value of the tens place is the number and we add just 1, 0 to the number. Okay, what is the value of number 4? In number 491. First, number 4 is hundreds place, in the hundreds place. So the value of hundreds is the number and 2 zeros. The number and 2 zeros. So we can say that the ones place give the number no 0. There is no 0 in the ones place. And the tens place, the tens give the number just 1, 0. And the hundreds give the number 2 zeros. Okay, now we'll make a review on the forms of the number. We have 4 forms. The first one is standard form. Standard form, which is the number in digit. Just numbers. Standard form, the number in digit. Word form. Word form, the number in letters. The number in letters. The picture form. The pictures form, we show the number by drawing. Showing the number by drawings. We represent the ones with small squares. We represent the tens with strips. And we represent the hundreds with blocks. Finally, the expanded form. And we show the value of each number. In expanded form, we show the value of each number. Let's take an example. First, we have here number 347, which is the standard form. Standard form is the number in digit. Ones, tens, hundreds. So the standard form is numbers. It's just a numbers. Okay, we want to write or draw the picture form. So we will represent the number by drawing. We said we represent the ones by using small squares. and the tens by using strips, and the hundreds by using blocks. So we will have 7 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 small squares for the 7 ones, and 4 strips because we have 4 tens, and 3 blocks or 3 big squares for the 3 hundreds. Okay? For expanded form, we said that the expanded form is the value of each digit. The value of each digit. We said that the value of ones is the same number. The value of tens is the number and 1, 0. The value of hundreds is the number and 2 zeros. So the expanded form for number 347 is 3 hundreds plus 40 plus 7. 3 hundreds because 3 is hundreds digit, 40 because 4 in the tens digit, and 7 because the 7 in the ones digit. Okay, the word form. We said the word form is the number in letters. The number in letters. So it's 347. 347. Okay, the next example is number 268. The standard form is 268. The picture form, we have 2 big squares, 6 strips, and 8 small squares. 2 big squares because there are 2 hundreds, 6 strips because there are 6 tens, and 8 small squares because there are 8 ones. Okay, the expanded form, we will write the value of each digit. Okay, we have here 8 in the ones place, so the value of 8 is 8, the same number. We have the 6 in tens place, so the value of 6 in tens is the number and 1 0, so it's 60. And the value of 2 in hundreds place, the number and 2 zeros, so it's gonna be 2 hundreds, right? Okay, so it's 2 hundreds plus 60 plus 8. 2 hundreds plus 60 plus 8. Finally, the word form. We said it's the number in letters. The number in letters. 268. 268. Okay, let's take another example. The standard form 134. 134. Okay, the picture form, we will have 1 block, 3 strips, and 4 small squares. 1 block because we have 100, 3 strips because we have 3 tens, and 4 small squares because we have 4 ones. Okay, the expanded form is the value of each number. The value of each number. 100, 3 tens, and 4 ones. The value of 100 in 100 is 100. 3 in tens is 3 and 1, 0. 4 in ones is 4. So 4 ones, 3 tens, and 100. I will write it as 100 plus 30 plus 4. Finally, the word for, number in letters, which is 134. 134. Okay, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.